You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
The OnePlus 8 launch date is nearing. It's set for April 14, and consistent leaks are pouring in, including a new source claiming to know how much it's going to cost. While lots of leaked specs have uncovered the inside of the phones, the new price leak suggests the new handsets will be significantly costlier than the predecessors. OnePlus has already confirmed that 8 and 8 Pro will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC, and from a previous leak, we know that both smartphones will have two memory versions, 8GB with 128GB and 12GB with 256GB. However, today's leak reveals that the 256GB option will not be available in all color variants. The two smartphones will run Android 10 out of the box, likely with a new version of Oxygen OS, and they will come with Dark Mode 2.0, with support for more apps. The OnePlus 8 will sport a 6.55 Fold Plus 90Hz Fluid AMOLED display, having an aspect ratio of 20:9, and a pixel density of 402 pi. The Pro model, on the other hand, will pack a 6.78 QHD plus 120Hz Fluid AMOLED panel, with a pixel density of 513 ppi and an aspect ratio of 19.8:9. A previous leak revealed that OnePlus 8 will pack a triple camera setup comprising of 48MP, 16MP and 2MP modules, whereas the Pro model will sport a quad camera setup, which will be a combination of two 48MP snappers, one 8MP cam and one 5MP unit. The latest leak sheds more light on the camera department. The 48MP unit on the Vanilla 8 will have a Sony IMX586 sensor, with 16MP and 2MP modules having ultra-wide and macro cameras, respectively. The Pro version gets Sony IMX689 for the main camera, while the secondary 48MP unit has IMX586 sitting behind an ultra-wide-angle lens, which will also let users capture macro shots of objects from as close as 3 centimeters. The 8MP module is a telephoto camera, 3x optical, 30x digital, with OIS, while the 5MP unit is described as a color filter, machine translated from German, in the specs sheet, that will let you capture photos with unique style through artistic lighting effects and filters. The source also claims that OnePlus 8 Pro will feature 3D audio zoom and have a flicker sensor in tow. On the connectivity front, the OnePlus 8 pair will have Wi-Fi 6, NFC, Bluetooth 5.1, and a USB-C port. The Duo will also feature stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos, and will come with an improved vibration motor. Pricing for the OnePlus 8 will start at €729 for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage model, while the 12 with 256GB trim will go for €835. The 8 with 128GB OnePlus 8 Pro will set buyers back €930, while the top-spec'd 12 with 256GB model will go for €1,020. Both OnePlus 8 models are expected to go on sale starting April 30. And that's it, guys. If you enjoy such tech-related leaks and rumors, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I will be updating you with such news. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.